Hi, I'm Sophia. Welcome to Tik Precision. As customer projects and production needs continue to grow, we moved into a new facility in Dongguan this year. With more space, new equipment, and a clear production layout, we can better support complex projects and provide more reliable delivery.
We provide custom precision machining for prototype development, low-volume production, and production runs.
Let me show you around. Founded in 2010, Tik Precision has over 100 employees and more than 100 machining and inspection machines.
The new workshop allows for a clearer equipment layout, smoother production flow, and room for future capacity expansion. From drawing review and process planning to production and delivery, our sales, project management, and engineering teams work together to keep communication clear and projects on track.
Our core duties include 3-axis and 5-axis, CNC machining, CNC turning, and precision grinding.
From prototype development and low-volume production to production runs of complex parts, we focus on process stability, tight tolerances, and consistent quality. Based on project requirements, we also provide additional manufacturing capabilities, including metal additive manufacturing, laser cutting, sheet metal fabrication, precision casting, and selected post-processing services. Our parts support applications in aerospace, robotics, semiconductors, new energy, medical devices, and other advanced industries.
Quality control continues throughout production, from in-process checks to final inspection.
CMM inspection helps verify critical dimensions and geometric tolerances before shipment. Measurement data and inspection reports are recorded, while additional precision measuring equipment supports different inspection requirements. Our quality control processes operate under an ISO 9001 quality management system. After final inspection, each part is cleaned and protected, packed with the required inspection documents, labeled, and prepared for shipment according to the project requirements.
Send us the joints or CAD files. Our team will review your requirements and support your next projects. Looking forward to working with you.